Cries out, howls through the world. A shattered heart, her truth unfurled. Cold wind cuts like broken glass. Every memory she can't outlast. Eyes burn red in the fading light, lost in shadows, losing the fight. But deep inside, a spark still lives in all the pain this life still gives. No one hears her silent scream, drowning in a shattered dream. So she howls to the moon tonight, bleeding soul and silver light. I don't wanna fade away, I just wanna feel okay. Through the dark, through the pain, through the loss that won't remain, she's a wolf that still believes. She still fights. She still breaks. She still breathes. Running wild but going nowhere, chasing ghosts through empty air. Every step a fragile line between the fall and one more try. Teeth clenched tight, she won't break down, even as the world lets her drown. Scars like stories carved in skin, proof she lost but didn't give in. Every tear a war she's fought, every breath the pain she's bought. So she howls to the moon tonight, bleeding soul and silver light. I don't wanna fade away, I just wanna feel okay. Through the dark, through the pain, through the loss that won't remain, she's a wolf that still believes. She still fights. She still breaks. Can you hear me? Or am I just a ghost in the wind? I gave my heart, I gave my soul, but it was never enough. I won't disappear. I won't disappear. She howls to the moon tonight, tears like fire in the night. I won't fade, I won't break, this is more than I can take. Through the dark, through the flame, she will rise, she'll stake her name. She's a wolf that still believes.